Hey, space explorers, welcome back. Today, we're diving into an exciting mission that could unlock the mysteries of one of the most intriguing moons in our solar system. Get ready to explore NASA's Europa Clipper mission. NASA's Europa Clipper, a spacecraft designed to investigate Jupiter's icy moon Europa, has just arrived at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This spacecraft is packed with advanced scientific instruments that will study Europa's surface, ocean, and atmosphere. On May 23rd, Europa Clipper was transported from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California to Florida, aboard a U.S. Air Force C-17 Globemaster III. The team at Kennedy Space Center is now preparing the spacecraft for its long journey to Jupiter. The mission aims to perform around 50 close flybys of Europa, some as low as 16 miles from the surface. Europa Clipper will gather detailed measurements of the moon's surface, interior, and space environment, searching for signs of habitability beneath its icy shell. Europa Clipper is equipped with 9 dedicated science instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, a magnetometer, and an ice-penetrating radar. These tools will study Europa's icy shell, the ocean beneath, and the composition of the moon's atmosphere and surface geology. To power its mission, Europa Clipper will use 2 large solar arrays, each 46.5 feet long. These arrays will collect enough sunlight to sustain the spacecraft on its journey to Jupiter and throughout its mission. Managed by NASA's Launch Services program, the team is ensuring that Europa Clipper meets all ground and flight requirements. They're pairing it with a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket for a powerful launch to its distant destination. NASA and SpaceX are targeting the launch for October 10, 2024. The spacecraft will embark on a journey through the solar system, with a Mars flyby in 2025 to help propel it towards Europa. Europa Clipper is expected to reach the Jupiter system by April 2030. The Europa Clipper mission represents NASA's commitment to exploring our solar system and searching for life beyond Earth. Stay tuned as we follow this incredible journey to uncover the secrets of Europa. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Stay curious and keep reaching for the stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on space exploration. See you in the next video.